Yeah, support that there somewhere. Very good. First clamp going on. Right, drop it down a little bit. About there. Perfect. Perfect. Yeah. Now raise up your end. Good, hold it there. Start to bend your edges. Good. Now, let me have it. Exactly. Push that in as best you can. It won't break. It's already been. Ready? Good. Seeing that? Yeah. Lovely. So next thing we need is a pencil. We need to mark. I can't see. One's there. The middle of one is there. Middle of two is there. Good.
According to your logic, you can't bend this way now.
No, I can't. According to my logic, this is right. What you can do for me is you can try to push that top corner. Perhaps if you go around the other side on the block, get up on that, pull that corner in. Lovely. That's it, that's good. Going there, isn't it?
Yeah.
But how?
Yeah, how does it bend like this and like that?
Ready? Tight all around there, isn't it?
Yeah, that's
Perfect.
pretty good.
Excellent. So now, can you get up on the top and see where I've marked an F there somewhere?
Yeah.
Is it there?
There.
Right there? Really? There?
Yeah, right there.
Lovely. Get it. Oh. Good. Come here. Go around there. So that's going up there like that. Let's go up there like that. And this one, excuse me, is going to come up. Where's the point? Where's the point? The point is there, and that was there. Just coming up here like that.
But this
Yeah,
won't go in.
no, it will do.
It will?
It bloody will. We're putting that in a minute. That bloody will, mate.
But how much?
Things right, I think, aren't they? Feel like they're going in good and tight.
Yeah.
Feels good. side in a minute, Hazel. Don't worry about that. Take that one off. Put that in here. Pretty good, really. No, we're going to put screws in next. Okay, we've got to try and pull that in. Pull that in. Well, I'll have it. I'm going to position a few screws, okay? And you're going to work your way up there and screw them all in. Okay, start on the second one, I think. Ready? Next one, not more than it needs. Once it's in there flush with a stop. Stop. No, come there. When you see that glue loose, stop, okay? Stop. Yeah, it's good, it's good, it's good. Good, give me one more screw, please. I think we might have two more.
It is holding now.
Oh. Good. Good. I'm going to have one more down here. Right, a couple more nails, and we're going inside with the screwdriver. Can you pass me nails?
Yeah. Inside with screws and a screwdriver. Pass me screws, please. Oh, film is very dark.
Yeah, not surprised. It's dark in it. We might be able to use it, we might not. We'll see. Lovely. Good, here we are. It's a situation, we've got the second layer on the sides. So the bottom is now, as you know, completed, 2 layers. The sides are now completely completed to the end. You know, there are only 2 layers. I've still got those samples there from the other week, and that's the thickness of the sides. That's 2 layers of the 10mm. Funnily enough, it's 20mm thick, but that's what you're looking at. Just to visualise the thickness of the size of the hull, it's a good thickness. And clearly the bottom will be 30mm thick, so it's another 10mm, another 3/8 of an inch on that. So it's a decent thickness. Anyhow, let's have a look. Hazel, if you turn around, so here's the bow. It still needs a trim up around the stem, around these tops haven't been planed up quite yet. But you remember in some places where the boards were joined on the first layer that there was some not quite alignment there, or they weren't in line. But where obviously I've staggered the second layer, half board stagger, where that's covered those joints, they've lined up perfectly, absolutely perfectly. You can see here, Hazel, perhaps you can see that there are some holes. A few places I had to put some screws in. Anywhere where it needed pulling in tight, I put screws in, just to pull it up. And a few places I put screws in from the inside to make sure those misaligned boards lined up. But they've lined up perfectly, absolutely perfectly. So we'll walk round, and now you can see the form of the hull as well. She's looking really pretty, that lovely twist that the hull has as it progresses. Feels nice and smooth. Come to the back end here, to the aft end. A little bit dark in it for some reason. This board here, which goes from here to here, with the quite significant bend in it, that was the hardest one to do. We shot a bit of video of that. Hopefully it's come out okay. But we got it in, and it looks great now. There's a lovely smooth curve around there. Looks lovely, sounds solid. Really pleased with it. All the way through to the aft end, which is also still needs a plane up. The stem line, but there's not too much to plane off there, just a couple of mil. Really pleased. Other side's the same, don't need to show you it, same as this side. It's come out great. So what's going to happen next is it's going to plane up, trim up, and then start on the final layer on the bottom. Is it dark here? It's a dark spot. After that, clearly we're working towards fiberglass in the hull, so then it'll be starting to prepare for the glassing. A little bit of filler here and there, fill the screw holes obviously, make sure these joints are smooth. A little bit of radius on the chine, and then, as I say, start to prepare it for the glassing, which is where the thoughts are turning to now. Good, that's where we are. We'll cut there.
tears in the sunset, standing at the sea. Tell me where you're going so decisively. What's your destination? Tell me where you're bound. We can move together where adventures abound. Running free before the